How to fix network credentials problems on Windows. 1. Check that your IP addresses are properly assigned, and try using some static IP address. 2. Enter your Microsoft credentials. 3. Enter computer name in the username field. 4. Use username and password to log in to Windows. For Windows 11 10th users, check your current PIN. 5. Add other PC's network credentials to Credentials Manager via the Add a Windows Credential option. 6. Change advanced sharing settings by enabling Allow Windows to manage home group connections, recommended, and turning off password protected sharing. 7. Change your security policies. Disable accounts, limit local account use of blank passwords to console logon only at local policy security options in secpol.msc. 8. Disable Credential Manager Service. 9. Set your connection to private. 10. Create a new user account. 11. Change your user account options. Note, enable users must enter a username and password option, if you can.